Every day, thousands of traders face this exact same problem. A screen so cluttered with indicators that finding the actual signal becomes nearly impossible. If you're trading with standard indicators, you already know the limitations. Built-in indicators only get you about 75% of the way to consistent profitability. They're designed for the average trader, not for your specific strategy. So, what do most traders do? They add more indicators, and more, until they're left with a chart that requires mental gymnastics just to make a trading decision. This leads to the three most common frustrations I hear from traders. First, conflicting signals. When your RSI says buy but your MACD says sell, which one do you trust? Second, missed opportunities. By the time all your indicators align, the best entry point has often already passed. And third, decision fatigue. The mental drain from constantly reconciling different indicators leads to poor trading decisions and burnout. But what if there was a better way? What if you could have a single indicator that incorporated all the insights you need, customized specifically for your trading strategy? In the next video, I'll show you exactly how custom indicators can transform your trading experience from chaotic to crystal clear.